Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're focusing on growing leaf lettuce directly in the ground. We'll cover garden bed preparation, the benefits of in-ground planting, and the importance of proper spacing and depth for optimal growth. Let's get started. Start by loosening the soil to a depth of 6 to 8 inches or 15 to 20 centimeters and incorporate organic matter like compost. Ensure the soil is well draining to prevent waterlogging. In-ground planting supports healthy root development, regulates temperature, and allows you to grow more lettuce in a given area. Space your lettuce plants 4 to 6 inches or 10 to 15 centimeters apart and sow seeds at a shallow depth of 1/4 inch or 0.6 centimeters to ensure proper growth. Growing leaf lettuce in the ground is a great way to maximize your garden space and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll cover more tips on caring for your lettuce plants. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!